I'm Hebe, and this is Sarah and Ruth. Together, we are Telescope, the Insights and Collaboration programme linking the policy and social sectors.
Can you put your hands up if you've ever directly contributed to an item of government policy that impacts you? Oh, like a few policymakers in the room, okay. Hands up who has ever been frustrated by an item of government policy? Okay, quite a few more hands. Okay. Across the country, there are hundreds of thousands of people working in frontline delivery roles. That's our nurses, teachers, social workers, people who have a wealth of experience and insight into the social problems we're tackling in this country. People like the colleagues I worked with last year at the Bromley by Bow Centre, who are providing vital support to the most vulnerable members of the community. They are the ones who are delivering and implementing government policies on the front line. And they have a lot of ideas about how to make them better, ideas that we often shared over cups of tea in the staff room. But no one is listening to their voices in Whitehall.
And I spent my career working in Parliament, and I know that the UK's policymakers are smart and determined to do the best for society and build systems that work for everyone. However, I know that many are frustrated by their detachment from the reality of frontline service delivery, and that this can lead to policies that have negative, unintended consequences for the most vulnerable people in our society. People across the social and policy sectors are doing the best they can to help people and to tackle complex social challenges. However, they're working in a siloed society, a siloed system that is not working for everyone. We believe that we can change that, and that the missing link is collaboration.
So that's why we've created Telescope, a programme that offers opportunities for frontline experts and policymakers to come together, build their networks, gain on-the-ground insights, and learn innovative tools for problem solving. It will be a challenging programme that takes participants out of their comfort zones and exposes them to new ideas. But it is also one that is fundamentally based on human connection and empowering people at all levels to become social leaders.
Our unique programme offers a lot more than existing training opportunities in this space by combining these three elements of the collaboration, the insights, and the creative toolkit for innovation. Through a shared learning experience, our participants on both sides come together and work through a curriculum of active listening, of shadowing in the workplace, of service design training, and more. But Telescope is not just a training programme. It's an opportunity to redress the balance of power in society, informing policymakers, empowering frontline workers, and giving voice to the lived experience of those who are at the sharp end of social challenges.
Our research has shown that learning and development budgets within the civil service are underspent. So our model works by tapping into that funding. This income will be used to cover our costs and to fund and support our charity sector partners, who both host and co-design the programme.
And we've made real progress so far. Over the last 2 months, we've interviewed 25 people working across the policy and social sectors. We've seen real enthusiasm and real support for our solution. We've also had successful pilot sessions and prototypes, bringing together participants working in the health, education, and refugee rights sectors. In particular, we thought that our refugee rights prototype was particularly successful, with the participants finding that, to their surprise, they had much more in common than separated them. We also received really positive feedback from our social sector partner, Housing Justice.
Through these discussions, we've already established partnerships with a number of social sector organisations. Our Crowdbacker pledges tonight will be used to co-create this programme with both partners. We want everyone's voice to be heard in the design of Telescope. If you know anyone, Also, just if you know anyone or if you are one of those people, please come and chat to us after.
Please do. As a team, we have a variety of experience across the policy, business and social sectors. as well as skills in facilitation and workshop design. We want to harness this, as well as our shared belief in the value of collaboration for improved and innovative policy making. We believe that systems are built on relationships between people. Our ambition is that Telescope will sow the seeds for a radical new way of working collaboratively across divides, empowering people at every level to drive change and build a society that's fit for the 21st century together. Thank you.